After launching Galaxy A25 back in December last year, the company is now reportedly working on the successor of it as Galaxy A26. And before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by Android headlines in partner with OnLeaks. According to leak renders and other rumors, the Galaxy A26 will feature a flat 6.64-inch display, with a water drop notch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone appears to have a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. The volume rockers, along with the power button, is visible on the right edge, while on the left appears to have ejectable SIM slot, and at the bottom we see a speaker grill, microphone, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is said to measure at 164 by 77.5 by 7.7 millimeters. The phone is also rumored to come powered by Exynos 1280 chipset, paired with 6 GB of RAM, and it will run on latest Android 15 out of the box. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A26 has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A26 smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.